Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display. And here in the general section on the third position we've got the sleep, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Right now I've got 1 minute option applied, and if you'd like to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So I will pick, for example, 10 minutes, so let's tap on it, and as you can see, you do not have to enter the sleep option in order to check if it has been changed, because here we've got it notified that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.